In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the best pet insurance companies available right now. I'll explain what each one covers, who it's best for, and how to figure out how much it costs and what makes each one stand out. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been considering getting pet insurance for your dog or cat but aren't sure where to start, this video is going to help you figure that out. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which provider might be the right fit for your pet, your lifestyle, and your budget. Let's get into it. So before I break down the top providers, let's talk quickly about why pet insurance is something worth looking into. Honestly, vet bills can add up super fast, and a basic visit can easily cost over $100, and something unexpected like surgery, emergency visit, or even long-term treatment for a condition like diabetes can quickly cost thousands. Pet insurance helps cover those kinds of expenses by reimbursing you for a percentage of the cost, usually somewhere between 70 and 90% depending on your plan. For most people, pet insurance brings peace of mind. You're not just protecting your pet's health, you're also protecting yourself from having to make a hard decision based on finances. So we're going to start off with Lemonade. Lemonade is one of the newer pet insurance companies on the market, and they've gotten a lot of attention for their app-based model and fast claims process. Lemonade offers coverage for accidents and illnesses, and you can customize your policy by choosing your deductible, annual limit, and reimbursement rate. They also let you add wellness coverage, which can help with routine costs like vaccinations, checkups, dental cleanings, and blood work. One of the things I love about Lemonade is how simple the entire experience is. I personally have pet insurance through Lemonade for my dog Luna, and reimbursements are just super easy, and they have an AI chat that's, again, makes the claim process just super fast. So reimbursements are often processed within a couple of days, and the design is clean and easy to use, which is something that's very important to me. If I have an app that I need to use, I want to make sure that it's easy, simple, and something that I don't mind going into. The only downside is that Lemonade is only available in certain states, so not everyone will be able to access it. And like most pet insurance companies, they don't cover pre-existing conditions. So Lemonade is a great option for pet owners who want a modern, tech-driven insurance experience and the ability to customize what they're paying for. If you want to check out Lemonade Insurance, all you have to do is go ahead and click our exclusive link in the description below. It'll bring you to this page, and what you can do is just go ahead and go to Pet, check our prices, and you can get a quote super easy. You'll just have to answer a couple questions. So if you already have one, if you already have a Lemonade account, you'll just enter in your first and last name. You'll enter in your pet's name, and then you'll enter in your street address. And again, you'll answer a couple more questions, and they will email you a quote directly to you. So it's, again, super easy and simple to get a quote, just like it is when processing claims. Next up is Healthy Paws. So Healthy Paws has been around for years and is often ranked one of the best pet insurance providers overall, especially for people looking for strong accident and illness coverage. What sets Healthy Paws apart is how simple they keep their policies. There's just one core plan, and it covers a wide range of medical issues from broken bones and cancer to chronic conditions, hereditary disorders, and emergency care. They don't place any annual or lifetime caps on payouts, which is a huge plus if you're concerned about the possibility of extensive long-term treatment. They process most claims pretty quickly through their app or online portal, and most users report getting reimbursed in under a week. Healthy Paws does not offer a wellness add-on, so if you want coverage for things like routine checkups, vaccinations, or flea preventions, you'll need to pay for those out of pocket. They also do not cover exam fees, and premiums can be higher for older pets. Healthy Paws is a great choice if you want simple, no-frills coverage that focuses on the major stuff and doesn't limit your payouts. Now, next is Embrace Pet Insurance. So they're a great option for people who want a lot of flexibility and the ability to personalize their coverage and policy. With Embrace, you can choose your reimbursement rate, deductible, and annual coverage limit, which helps you control how much you're paying each month. One unique thing Embrace offers is coverage for alternative therapies like acupuncture, chiropractic care, and even hydrotherapy. If you're someone who wants to include more holistic care options for your pet, this is a huge benefit. Embrace also offers a wellness rewards program, which acts like a preventative care allowance. It reimburses you for things like vaccinations, grooming, training classes, and even supplements. Another standout feature is their diminishing deductibles. So each year you don't file a claim, they reduce your deductible by $50. That can add up really quickly if you have a healthy pet. Some people say the setup process can feel a little bit more involved because of all the customization options. Also, depending on what you choose, your policy might have an annual limit. So you'll want to just make sure you review that super closely. Overall, Embrace is ideal for people who want a more holistic, flexible approach to pet insurance and who are interested in having routine care partially covered. Now, let's move on to Spot Pet Insurance. Spot is a newer company, but it has grown pretty quickly thanks to its broad coverage coverage options and customization features. One of the things that makes Spot stand out is that it covers things not all pet insurance companies include, like behavioral therapy, alternative treatments, and even dental illnesses. You can also choose between accident-only coverage or accident and illness coverage, depending on your budget and your pet's needs. So Spot lets you customize almost every part of your plan. You can choose your annual limit, even going up to unlimited coverage, and pick a deductible and reimbursement rate that works for you. They also offer a wellness add-on if you want help covering routine care like vaccinations or wellness exams. Claims can take a little longer to process with some of the digital-first companies, and some users say premiums are slightly higher, especially if you opt for the unlimited plan, which just makes sense. Still, Spot is a solid choice if you want more control over your policy and coverage for things like behavioral training or chronic dental issues. Now, last on the list is ASPCA Pet Insurance. They have been in the space for a long time and offers a trusted, name-recognized option for pet parents who want something simple and dependable. ASPCA offers both accident-only and full accident and illness plans. You can also add preventative care coverage to help with routine visits, shots, and dental cleanings. Their coverage includes hereditary and certain conditions, which is especially helpful if you've adopted a pet and aren't fully sure of their medical history. One thing that people love about ASPCA is that you can visit any licensed vet in the US or Canada. There's no network to worry about. This flexibility is great if you travel, move often, or just want to keep your options open. The downside is that ASPCA's annual payout limits are sometimes lower than competitors, depending on the plan. Their claims process also isn't as fast or modern as companies like Lemonade, which have fully app-based systems. They are a great option though if you want a reliable, well-known provider with broad coverage and the flexibility to use any vet. Now that you've heard about the top 5 companies, you might be wondering which one is the best fit. And the truth is, it depends on what you value most. If you want something fast, simple, and tech-driven, Lemonade is such a great option. If your priority is strong medical coverage with no payout limits, Healthy Paws is hard to beat. If you're looking for more holistic care and want rewards for preventative health routines, Embrace might be the way to go. But if you want flexible coverage that includes behavioral and dental issues, Spot could also be the right fit. And if you want a straightforward plan from a trusted name with nationwide vet access, ASPCA is definitely worth checking out. Again, there are so many great options out there for you. You just need to figure out what is best for you. If you do want to check out Lemonade, which is what I personally use, and I just find it super simple and easy to use, which is very, very important to me, and the coverage has been great so far. Use our exclusive link in the description below and get a quote. I made this video because I know how much our pets mean to us. They're part of our family and we want to take care of them without stressing every time something unexpected happens. Pet insurance isn't right for everyone, but take it from someone who had it, didn't have it, and now for sure has it. It provides a peace of mind and helps avoid hard choices during emergencies. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you make smarter, simpler decisions when it comes to insurance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.